Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. We are beginning our journey on the Linework, and this is the last one we have to deal with, which is F. So this is the diagram we have. Is quite pretty simple, so let's quickly do it. So each side has a length of 40 millimeters and an angle of 45. So you are going to begin by first drawing a vertical line. First draw a vertical line. I'm going to measure out the 40. So that's the 40. Then use a 45 degrees square to draw the 45 angle. Then I'm going to measure out 40. That's 40 here. And that's 40 also here. Then we draw a vertical line. And a vertical line to here. We are just trying to get the outline. I'm going to measure 40 again. So that's 40 here. And that's also 40 over here. Next we draw a 45 degrees line again for this side. We have drawn this, go to this. So we measure 42 again. That's 40. You can just draw a vertical, a horizontal line. Since you know the dimension for it, you can just draw across, right? So you have our main outline as follows. Right, so I'm going to thicken it out. Alright, so we have this to be our edge. Alright, so let's begin. So we have a square here, one here, one here. So let's draw that quickly. I'm going to measure 40. 40, sorry. 40 inch there. 40 40 ends here as well. Forty ends there. And 40 ends here as well. So we join them. Right, then we do for the vertical side also. And we have this vertical line to here. Going to measure out 40 for each. Just use your T-square to draw horizontal line. Then we extend this. So you are done with the squares that are inside. So you see, one goes here, or you can picture it this way. There are diagonals at each point. So this going there, and this coming here. Then from this we'll go here. Right. So let's follow through. So we are at this point right now. This line is coming here. This line is coming here. So let's draw. And this line also coming here, cutting across. Right, so you are done with this part. Then you have this line coming here, this line also coming here. So we have this line coming here, this line also coming here. Then we have this line going to meet this point. This line going to meet this point. And this line too going to meet this point. Right. And finally have this line also coming down. And this line also coming down. Right, so now let's come to the bottom part. This line goes here and goes here. And the same thing too for this side. Goes here and goes here also. And that's it. I'm going to taking out the outline. finally. I think we are done with this one. So I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.